Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LAHO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times in the past, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely updates need to be done as a very, very nice start to the week. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So now one of the newest areas of support is going to be right up there at the 0022, or excuse me, the 002 mark. So 002 going to be that ideal level. Absolute best case scenario would be if somehow the price can manage to stay up above 0023 up there. With that, or excuse me, 0022. With that being said, it's not like, if the price falls below 0022, that implies everything's totally ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could, like I said, somehow manage to stay above there, that would definitely be a massive sign of power. Taking a step back, and as I've talked about in the past, and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that's where the purple line continues to play a role. 50-period moving average, keyword being moving. So as that line moves itself upwards, really as long as the price stays above that level or within the range of it, then the overall chart remains fully in the bull's favor. So keep a close eye on that, as that's kind of like I said, the overall trend indicator there. As far as resistance levels, nothing fancy there. Current battleground right there at 0024, which is where the price got rejected from on a couple of different instances today. But these resistance levels, they don't matter. What do I mean by they don't matter? Well, it matters is what the price has already been doing, which is this right here. So over time, and this is very crude, but just to get the point across, over time, as long as these lows keep getting higher and higher, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, that is the name of the game, because given enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So just focus on those stair steps, focus on going through all the consolidations, and sit back and let the trend continue to do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.